An easy way to start a home business online with turnkey websites. Everyone is looking to make some extra money online an easy way. From the start of the internet, people have found ways to use the internet to generate income from home. The only thing you need to get started is an internet connection. There are thousands of opportunities online to choose from relating to working at home. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Some of these home business opportunities require a learning curve that is hard for someone that is first getting into the field of internet marketing and working from home online. So how does one get started working online without being overwhelmed with the mass amounts of internet information? There is a very simple solution to this. The secrets to a successful internet home business is to decide what you do well, and choose a home-based business opportunity that makes the most of your strengths and preferences. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Many people find that this opportunity is turnkey business. A turnkey business is a very simple concept and operates just like it sounds. A turnkey business is one that's already set up and ready to go. All you have to do is turn the key. All you need is the keys to the door to make it your business. Your commitment to a turnkey business can be as little as making a monthly payment to keep the website online, or as involved as deciding every little thing from the background color of your website pages to the products featured on your website. There is no other type of business opportunity that can offer you so many benefits for so little investment. These are some of the benefits of getting a turnkey business online. 1. You can own your own business and have it up and running in a matter of hours. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. A regular business can be far more time-consuming and could take months to start. 2. You can start making money online in a very short time. For most people, it takes years and thousands of dollars in advertising to make money online from their website. 3. You can have your very own website without any programming or HTML knowledge. Some people pay web designers thousands of dollars to design a website. You can get the same thing for pennies on the dollar. 4. Work whenever you want. Your website will be up and running 24 hours a day generating money. 5. You can sell anything online and also make money off advertising on your site. Some people make up to $10,000 a month just by showing Google ads on their website. 6. You will have support to help you out with your new business. Many turnkey opportunities provide support to help you get your new business off the ground. A turnkey business does all the setup work for you so that you can sit back and watch the money come in. You should do your research when looking for a turnkey opportunity. It's important to evaluate a turnkey home-based business just as you would any other business opportunity. After all, you want the best home-based business for your time and money. Watch out, there are a lot of scams online. As a general rule, if it sounds too good to be true, it is most likely a scam or will not produce the results it claims and will only suck your wallet dry. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Making money online is a get-rich-slow process. But when it is complete, you can sit back and enjoy the residual income it will produce, like having your own online ATM machine 24 hours a day. When searching for a good opportunity online, you should ask these key questions. 1. How good is the support and training? You should only choose a home business that provides excellent support for your business. Some companies will even give personal mentoring over the phone. They should also provide you with a solid plan for you to follow to help you get your business off the ground. 2. Do you have control over choosing products for your business? Do you want control over your products? Some turnkey businesses will only let you sell what they tell you to. And that is not a problem for some people. If you want the freedom to customize your website, they might not be the right business for you. Other turnkey home-based businesses offer you a wide range of products and expect you to choose which ones you want to sell, or let you find and stock your own products. Each are suited to a particular kind of entrepreneur. Knowing which one you are can help you choose wisely. 3. How flexible is your turnkey website? There are dozens of different models for internet turnkey businesses. Some lock you into their own precise plan for success. You pay your money once, or monthly for web hosting and that's all you have to do. Others let you build your site from scratch. The best choice is the best of both worlds, with all the hard work done, the nuts and bolts and framework in place with the option to customize it up as you like. So what should you look for in a complete home-based business opportunity? 1. A web hosting company with lots of bandwidth and storage space. You can get free hosting, but it will not be good enough to support an online business. Look for a hosting company with a good referral program. Some hosting companies will even pay you monthly commissions for referring others to them. 2. An easy way to customize your website without having to learn any programming or HTML. 3. A training plan to help you get started. You are going to need support. The world of internet marketing is very competitive and you'll need expert guidance and a proven formula for success to work with. 4. Access to all your website files to make changes if you want to. 5. A fully functioning website even if you choose to go right out of the box. So if you are looking for the easy way to get started with a home-based business online, you should consider a turnkey website as an option. It is an perfect solution for the newbie with no prior knowledge of internet marketing. If time is a factor and you need to get set up fast, a turnkey business is a good choice for you. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.